Hello friends, my name is Radha. Today we'll discuss about a topic what is heuristics. Friend, today's topic is very interesting and very important with respect to project management especially, or if you are planning to give exam related to project management, or you are planning to give exam related to PMP. So this is an important topic and you will see this topic in the exam. However, it's a general approach of decision making. Secondly, if you are a professional project manager and working in any organization as a project manager, so this is necessary for you to understand the concept of heuristics, to use this concept in project management, especially when you are taking the decisions. So let's start. First of all, I will request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. What is heuristics? Friend, heuristics is a mental shortcut that allows people to solve problems and make judgments quickly and efficiently. Normally, it is called as the rule of thumb as well. Friend, see, in general, what is heuristics? Basically, see, friend, whenever we have to go somewhere, for example, just take as an example, like you have to go to meet your relatives in at some location, okay, and you have to take some decision, like whether you will go through car, whether you go will through motorcycle, or go through motorcycle, or by through bus. So you have to take some decision, okay. Normally what happened that our mind is very efficient, that it takes the decision very efficiently, okay. So that is called as the concept of heuristics, okay. So that is the main action. Like for example, when we have less information and we have to take action quickly, so we can take the action based on heuristics. Heuristics means, friend, the mental shortcut that allows people to solve problem and make judgment quickly and efficiently. The rule of thumb, basically, like our mind is saying that, like for example, when you go from location A to location B, and last time there was so much problem, there was so much traffic jam, so your mind is saying that last time it was happened, so it is expected that this time it again happened. So what you can do, you can change the route to travel. So that is the what is that is called as rule of thumb. Like for example, just take another example. You were implementing a e-commerce solution, and you have noticed that, for example, ABC technology was used last year, and the project was not successful. So this time again we will not use the same technology. Why? Because last time we were not successful by using that technology. So this is called as the rule of thumb. This is called as our mind is saying that by using our previous information, previous knowledge, our mind is saying that this is not a good decision. So this is the concept of rule of thumb. Like whenever we have less information and we have to take action very quickly, so we use this approach of rule of thumb. Friend, types of heuristics are, first of all, the availability. For example, availability means, friend, that if you are thinking of flying and suddenly think that last time the plane was crashed, uh, last month, so you will not go. For example, you have to go from location A to location B, and you are thinking the options to travel. So one option, when you are thinking about plane, by go through by the plane, so you are thinking that last time the plane was crashed last month, for example, so it is not suitable to go through plane. You will go by car to travel, okay. Why? Because your mind is saying, your mind just take the decision based on the rule of thumb. Rule of thumb means that the available information, the availability means that last time it happens wrong, so this time happens again wrong. So this is the concept of rule of thumb. Last time the plane was crashed, so this time we will not go through the plane, this time we will go through the car. Another type of heuristic is representative. Representative means friend, for example, you are sitting in some gathering, and your uncle came to you, and he said that your father was a very good person. Okay, so based on that you are thinking that that person is very good, very humble, very kind. Why? Because he praised your father, because he praised your relative. So that's why your mind has taken a decision that that person is very good. Okay, again the thing is that the rule of thumb, again information is very less, however just a gesture, just a rule of thumb, we have taken a decision that that person is very good. That is called as the concept of representative. Another example of heuristic is effect. What does it mean, friend? For example, when the research says, friend, that whenever we are like in a successful mood or in a positive mood, so we will go for positive decisions. Okay, however, if the things are not good, if we are in a negative mood or negative things are happening, so we will go for negative decisions or we adopt for negative decisions. So that is called as the effect factor in the heuristic. For example, let's suppose let's suppose let's suppose that your very close relative has passed away. Okay, and someone came to you and said that can we go for a dinner tonight? So spontaneously and suddenly you can definitely say that you will not go. Why? Because you are in a sorrow mood or you are in a not in a good mood. So basically, friend, the concept of heuristics, how it can map with the project management here. Whenever we are managing the projects, some many time it happens that we take the decision on heuristic basis. Heuristic means that we take the decision on rule of thumb basis. For example, if you are implementing any project and last time when we use that particular resource, so human resource, so our project was not successful, so we can use any other resource because last time our project was not successful, so we should have to use any other resource. So what actually it is the rule of thumb. Like we are not taking decision on any detailed basis or any particular basis, we are taking the bare decision based on the rule of thumb. The main advantage of you using the rule of thumb is that it is very quick and very quickly we can take the decision, and the disadvantage is that the decision which we are taking is not based on any specific detail, it is just based on some very high level information or very basic level information. So many times it happens that there are lots of chances are there that the decision can be wrong because it's not based on a specific or detailed information, it's based on just a rule of thumb. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. Thank you.